Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you the incredibly handy app DooriGo, the all-new daily check-in app that allows you to stay safe and connected with family and friends. With DooriGo, you can always be protected and taken care of no matter where you are or what you're doing. Stay secure and in touch with your loved ones, all with the simple push of a button. And explore the many features of DooriGo in this video made in collaboration with PreApps, and discover how you can revolutionize the way you manage personal security. You can download DooriGo today using the link on the screen or in the description. Let's take a closer look. Create your DooriGo account by paying a small monthly fee and providing important information, such as your phone number, address, and important contacts that you want to reach in case of an emergency. If you're not sure who you want to contact, the app can recommend people by analyzing which contacts you frequently call or text. This way, if you're ever in trouble, DooriGo can send your emergency contacts alerts, GPS coordinates of your phone's last known phone ring, and even encrypted messages of special documents such as your will and bank account number if you're ever incapacitated. In addition, the app also allows users to protect their pets by providing special instructions on how to take care of them and what to do in an emergency. With this information, your emergency contacts can feed and keep your pets safe even if you're unable to. With so many options for users and state-of-the-art technology, you can be sure that DooriGo is going to allow you to keep your information safe and in the right hands. Another awesome feature of DooriGo is the customization of each user's experience. The app allows you to choose how often you want to use to be messaged each day. With each text, the app will ask you if everything is okay, either respond with a Y for yes or N for no, and if you're ever in any kind of trouble, the app will automatically alert your emergency contacts of your situation. DooriGo will also notify all your contacts if you don't respond to a check-in text within a certain amount of time. And you can choose how long you want this waiting period to be, from a wide range of 6 to 72 hours. With tons of customizable settings, you'll have complete control over who gets alerts and information, as well as when the app sends alerts, giving users total power over their safety management. Unlike other security systems, DooriGo keeps users safe without being intrusive and gives you full control over what information you want to send where. With DooriGo, you can receive quick and easy check-ins as much as you want, so you never feel alone. No matter where you live or how old you are, DooriGo will keep you connected to loved ones and ensure that you're okay, making your life so much easier and safer. You can download DooriGo today using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy.